Hello all, in this course we will be learning about phishing. We will start off with some high-level introduction and examples, going through only the important bits. We will be showcasing how to clone a website at a very basic and minimal level, how to harvest credentials, and also showing the basic usage of GoPhish, a very popular phishing tool that is free. At the end of the course, you should be equipped with the knowledge to understand what exactly is phishing, why malicious threat actors use it, and maybe even conduct your first phishing experiment. Always remember that it is illegal to use the knowledge for malicious purposes without prior agreement and acceptance from the system's owner. All the knowledge shared here is for education purposes only, and the responsibility of any ill intent and illegal actions performed will be on you. Without further ado, let's get started.